Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see where to buy Roblox gift card. I wonder why you want to know where to buy Roblox gift card. Maybe because you want to get one for yourself, or maybe you just want to gift a card to your friend or an Indian person. Therefore, you're looking for it and you don't know where you can get it from. So don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how easily you can get a Roblox gift card. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed a Roblox app. And if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with it, just simply tap on the icon of the Roblox app to open it. Initially, the app will just take a while to load, and after that, you will see its interface. But unfortunately, we don't have any option in this app through which we can buy a Roblox gift card. Therefore, you have to go to the browser. I'm going with the Google Chrome, but you can choose any other browser. Once you get here on the search bar, you have to specifically search for roblox.com/gift card. This is the actual and authentic website of Roblox where you can buy the gift cards. Make sure you also go with the same link, which is roblox.com/gift cards. Once you tap onto that link, you will land onto this website. This is the correct and original website by Roblox itself. Here we have this option, shop gift card. Once you clicked onto it, you will get here. First, you have to choose if you're purchasing a card for yourself or your friend. So if it's your friend, then you have to type your friend's name, and after that you have to type your name, or you can go with the username that you have on the Roblox. Then go for picking a card. We have two cards here, digital and physical. You can choose any one of these and you can select which currency you want to pay in. Here we have a lot of different categories for the card, so you can choose whatever category you want to go with, and you can also choose which cover you want. And then you have to choose which amount of card you want to purchase. It starts from $20 and goes above $100. You can also select the quantity, and simply if you want to add any message, you can type it, that will be sent to your friend. This is optional, so you can skip that, and after that you have to tell where is the card going. Type your friend's username, and along with that you have to confirm and select the date on which you want the card to be sent. Once you do all these things, that will be added to your inventory, and then you have to simply check out. Now select which payment method you want to go with and add all your card and information details that the Roblox is asking. Make sure you add the correct ones, and once you're done, just simply click on place my order. Then order will be placed, and after few time what date you have selected, the card will be delivered to your friend. And if you have selected for yourself, then you will receive it whenever you have set the time. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can find out where to buy Roblox gift card. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.